In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. So, all what you have to do to fix this problem, guys, is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps, and then you need to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. And after that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it. Click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Click on the power users details and then click on app launch and make sure that this option is enabled. Click OK and then click on the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled, and last thing you want to do is update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. And that's it. Last thing you want to do now is restart your phone. And if the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to uninstall your Instagram and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.